In this video, we'll look at two different types of projects, a WPF App.NET framework and a class library.NET framework. Let's start with the WPF app. I'm assuming you already have a WPF app project set up, and now you want to change the project and solution name. When you build the project, you'll see its current name. Here, it's called Test Project. Let's rename it to WinForm. To rename, simply press the F2 shortcut. After renaming the project folder to WinForm, if you try to open the solution file, you'll get an error. This happens because the project file path has changed and Visual Studio can't find it. To fix this, open the solution file .sln in Notepad and update the project folder path to match the new name. In this case, WinForm. If you also want to change the assembly name, go to the project's properties and update the assembly name and default namespace fields. And that's it for the WPF app. Now let's take a look at renaming a class library project. Again, I'm assuming you already have a class library project and you want to change the DLL name, project name, and solution name. First, open the project properties and update the assembly name and default namespace to your new name. Then rename the project file and solution file to match the DLL name. The steps are pretty similar to what we just did with the WPF app.